Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swarangi and this channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm excited to give you an exclusive peek into my personal makeup pouch. Today, I am giving you an exclusive tour of my personal makeup pouch, revealing the must-have products I keep on hand for flawless look anytime, anywhere. From go-to lip colors to skin-enhancing favorites, from tools, you'll see it all. While I won't be covering makeup brushes in this video, drop a comment if you'd like a detailed guide on them and their uses. Let's jump right into my beauty essentials. From my product list, you will see some are globally available products, some products are exclusively available in Germany, and some are exclusively available only in India. So you will see it all. In my previous slide, you must have seen the beauty blender and also facial razor. That is a must in every girl's makeup pouch. This is a brow setting gel I got from Germany and it has got this nice brush as well. Then next in my list is Clinique Moisture Surge. This is the best moisturizer and I also use the Cetaphil one, but this one is my favorite. It's super velvety and glides on your skin like butter. Look how beautiful its texture is. The next one is Vitamin C Tonic by Pixie. It is amazing. You can see it's almost over. After moving to India, I am currently using these two sunscreen. First one is by Minimalist and second one is by Foxtail. Both are nice, but I like the Foxtail one better. These are the vitamin C serum capsules that I got from Germany. Next one is my ultimate favorite, Max Strobe Cream. Next favorite is this Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and this one is from Trend It Up. This is the BB cream. This one is a translucent powder by PAC. Then I have this Studio Fix by MAC, and this one I use for contouring. Next one is this Fit Me Compact. I have been using this Sephora foundation stick for years and been obsessing over it. My next favorite is this Benetint by Benefit Cosmetics, and it is a multi-use product and it is amazing. It looks very lovely and dewy and natural on your face. I love it. This cream blush by Fenty Beauty is as well my favorite. For my brows, I sometimes like to fill them up with the powder or pencil. You can see one package is broken, so I got another one from Germany this time. It just fits my needs. This kajal pencil is by Kiko Milano, and one side is the kajal kohl and one side is this wand for smudging. It glides on like a butter and it looks very intensive, and also it's waterproof. It is lovely. What to say about my lipstick collection? I have just picked a handful of it, but trust me, I have many. So I'll show you few which I use like every day. It's 15 Lover by Maybelline. Then I have this beautiful nude shade by Trend It Up. It's a drugstore brand which you get in Germany as well. It's perfect for everyday use. See how subtle it looks. I have got many eyeshadow palettes, but for everyday use I use this Sephora pocket palette, and I also have one from Charlotte Tilbury that is also amazing. For the concealers, I have Tarte one and also this is by Maybelline. So for everyday use, I use Maybelline one. It's their Fit Me range. The consistency is perfect. This one is the hair mascara. You can use this to tame away the flyaways. I have got this from Germany and this is perfect for the baby hair, for flyaways and also for that sleek look. Next one is this almost lipstick by Clinique. And you must have seen my previous video how amazing it looks on lips. These two mascaras I've got from Germany, which are by Essence. I have many other brands too, but for now I can only show you this. This one is the hand cream that I have in my pouch. Then there are wet wipes. I've got n number of highlighters, but this one I have in my everyday pouch. It's by Kiko. It looks stunning. It gives that nice subtle goldeny look. Hey, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed a little tour of my personal makeup pouch. If you did, do hit that like button and let me know in the comments below how did you like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments below if you want any detailed video on some specific product from this list or any other product. I would love to hear about your feedback and it will help me grow. Thank you. I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye.